Hello, my dear students. You are watching Brain Master Spoken English. Now, I am gonna explain you and analyze the language of a short informal dialogues. Be careful. Don't skip the video till end. Here the dialogue on asking time. This dialogue is between Ram and Rinki. Now look at each sentences. Ram, what time is it? Here Ram asked Rinki what the time was in very casual way. Rinki, what time is it? We are going to be late. Here Rinki repeated the same sentence. Suddenly she veered to the exclamation that they had been going to be late. Both were confused and they had made great mistake for going to be late. Ram, it's a quarter after 7. We are on the time. Don't panic. Here Ram removed the confusion by saying it's a quarter after 7. This phrase is one of the most common ways of stating this time. It means it is 15 minutes past 7. Another possibility here is to simply say it's 7:50. In general, you can say it's a quarter past the hour. Ram further says, don't panic. You may simply say, don't worry or don't stress. That he clearly says that we will reach on time. Rinki, but I thought we had to be late the restaurant by 7:30 for the surprise party. We will never make it there with all this evening traffic. Look at this sentence here. Rinki thinks the surprise party begins at 7:30. There are two different ways to express this time. You may say simple 7:30 or 7:30. Further, Rinki thinks that they cannot reach the party on time. It's due to heavy traffic. Ram, surely we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8, but I do need help with direction. Can you call the restaurant and ask them why we park our car? Here Ram says, sure, we will. That means he believes that they will reach the party on time. Look at the sentence here. Rush hour means it uses usually in the morning and evening when traffic is heavy because of people commuting to and from their workplace by bus, by car, by subway, on foot, etc. Actually, the party is going to start at 8, but here Rinki so much intense for getting the direction from the restaurant, they have to call why to park their car. It's the short informal conversation between Ram and Rinki have completely described the language of the dialogue to get a great deal of knowledge in information of informal dialogues. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel for other lessons. Watch it from beginning to end without skipping. Enjoy the lesson and its language. It is a dialogue, but you remember, whenever you are watching this, you should be careful. Thanks a lot.